Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Uzbekistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official electronic visa portal of the Republic of Uzbekistan. Okay, so here they have the link to apply for the visa, but before you go that I would strongly recommend you click on need to know, so that your most of the questions like fee and other things, okay, photo requirements, passport requirement, and all other common questions can be clarified here itself. Okay, and once you are all ready, come here, go for apply. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in 6 steps this is available. So first of all, select your citizenship. I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. So you can with an Indian citizenship you can get visa for 30 days, processing time 3 working days, not include weekend holidays. Fill out the form in English. Find document term, visa entry. So they give like double entry, multiple entry, single. I use single entry. Purpose of visit, I select tourism and then I go to next. Choose the supposed time of stay in, okay, so your entry and exit. Okay, so let's say you are arriving on 8 and your departure is gonna be, let's say, 2 weeks. Okay, do not exceed the days guys. Now we have reached the personal, so I'm putting sample, you do it as per your own case. Surname I put, of course I won't be submitting and paying the fee. Surname ever change, then you have to click this yes and provide same for name, gender, date of birth. Make sure you meet the format. Place of birth, check your passport for this, it should match. Now next is your passport information. Oh, no. Passport, date of issue, expiration, permanent residence address, whatever you know your address at point that. Place of work and position. Okay, so just put address and then your position. Don't do like this, do it as per your game. Phone number, mobile number and landline, and or landline. Okay, primarily places of residence. So let's say if you have booked the hotel, provide that full information where you have are gonna, let's say hotel A dash, can put the address. Okay, if you have booked already, go to next. Okay, next is gonna be passport. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this and then I'm gonna see you guys your photo and passport. Okay, so guys, after updating the details in the next page, after uploading those documents in the next page, you can review all the details and you can go back and make changes in case you have missed any or any error. Then at the bottom, as you can see, this is the activation screen where you have to enter your email and text, and then the system will send an activation link. Once you do that, the next is the payment, and once payment is done, then it goes for processing, and if granted, you are all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.